What is up, guys? Crypto Money Life back with another Bitcoin analysis video. So in yesterday's Bitcoin analysis video, I said we could see some support here at the 13 MA, but I thought more likely we'd push down to this horizontal line from old highs here, and that's where we'd turn around. But we indeed did see a lot of support and turned around here at the 13 MA. Yesterday's candle reminds me a lot of this candle back here, and this whole pattern reminds me of back here. Go ahead and just draw this out. So we set new all-time highs just like we did right here, and then we sort of trended sideways and fell away, and then had one day where we just fell out of bed, but it sucked all back up, which is exactly what happened yesterday. So the pattern we are seeing right now reminds me a lot of this. So what I am thinking is going to happen is we will have another push higher and go to new all-time highs, just like in this pattern. You can see just a couple days ago we topped out just a little below this trend line, the same as we did back here during this pattern. So I think since we did suck everything back up yesterday and made it back into this wedge, we are looking at another pattern just like this, where get some sideways to up action and then make it up to this trend line, and then that's where we'll turn around and have another downtrend, something like this. That could put us all the way back down to this trend line. That's weeks and weeks of action there. But just for right now, we're back inside this wedge. So to me, this wedge is somewhat back in play. I think once we do break these highs, just like we did here when we broke these highs, we saw a nice 3-4 day run up of about 500 points. So that's what I'm looking at right now in this pattern. Now anything could happen. We could fall out of bed again, but just based on this yesterday's move where we did fall out, but we sucked it all right back up. After we hit the 13 moving average, it was just pretty much all up from there. And today is solidly in the green. I do think it's looking like this chart wants to continue up to this trend line before turning around again. Now we could see some resistance here at these all-time highs here. So that'll also be a spot to watch for a turnaround. But if we stay inside this wedge for a couple days or just fill it out some, I think a break to the upside is what the market wants to do, because we had the break to the downside out of this wedge, and you saw what the market did. It sucked it all right back up, straight back into the wedge. So if you remove the tail of this, if you just take the open and the close, it's like yesterday never even fell out of the wedge. So that's what I'm looking at. Another pattern just like this one we had back in August. And I think new all-time highs will be on the horizon, but not huge gains, all-time highs. Maybe another, where's this, about, it's almost 5,900. I don't know, another 300 points, 400 maybe by the time this fills out. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on my crypto trading, crypto investing, and interesting crypto news. I'll see you in the next video. Check out the links below to see the sites I use to make money in crypto every day.